Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for April the 13th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Bristol-Myers Squibb will receive upfront payments of $470 million for 2 out-licensing deals with Biogen and Roche for drugs for neurodegenerative conditions. Under the first agreement, Biogen will make an upfront payment of $300 million for global rights to the anti-E-tau compound BMS 986168. As part of the second deal, Roche will make an upfront payment of $170 million to Bristol-Myers Squibb for rights to the anti-myostatin adnectin BMS 986089. The first drug is being investigated in patients with progressive supranuclear palsy, while Biogen will also study it in Alzheimer's disease, with BMS 986089 under development for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. In other news, the University of California and others appealed to a US court regarding a decision made by the Patent Trial and Appeal Board in February related to CRISPR genome editing. The university is seeking a review of the ruling, which did not determine which inventors actually invented the use of the CRISPR genome editing technology in eukaryotic cells. In addition, top-line results from a Phase 2 study showed that Novan's SB208 produced a statistically significant effect in patients with tinea pedis. The company said that based on the data, it plans to assess late-stage development opportunities for the drug in superficial cutaneous fungal infections. And finally, sources suggested that Apple is developing sensors to monitor blood sugar levels and has hired a team of biomedical engineers for the project. Apple has reportedly been conducting feasibility trials at clinical sites in California and has hired consultants to help the company understand the regulatory pathways.
To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.